And when you want to land on the final pass, I'll get you your clearance to land sub tower.
Okay, we're going to have one land right now.
Okay, stand by. Coordinator, show boss. Drop the coordinator. Could I get a landing clearance for one altitude? In the air now.
We get things underway with Dot 1,
again.
Dot 2.
If Voodoo 1 is landing, what will be the small fun of the rest of the Voodoo? Voodoo 2 and Voodoo 3. Roger. Voodoo 3 is landing. Voodoo 3 clear to land, runway 15, 17 ready.
Put it up in the third lane.
International Airport. The F-15 Eagle you see circling behind us, the bio-militia from Louisiana Air Guard are coming back for another throw, ladies and gentlemen. So stand by. Here come the Eagles.
Check low approach.
Voodoo 3 to stop.
You gotta stand still. Still. Can't shake.
Show off coordinator. Go ahead, coordinator. Voodoo 3 after landing. Where's he going? He'll be coming down to static. Roger, and it's in the backtrack to full length for the runway then? Yep, that's fine.
Douglas F-15 Eagle, American twin-engine all-weather tactical fighter, designed by McDonnell Douglas and now Boeing. Boeing celebrating their centennial.
Check that.
The power, the thrust, the afterburners from Pratt & Whitney. Afterburning
Show off coordinator. Go ahead. Did we have Voodoo 3 window down? Of course. Did he come to a stop? Rolling to the end. Voodoo 3, show boss. Can you go to tower now, please? 119.4.
Louisiana Air
Show boss coordinator. Go ahead. To point out to the 2, 1 and 2. Leading up the airport. Okay, go ahead, say again. And just a heads up for 1 and 2, that 3 will be backtracking on the runway. 3 will be backtracking west.
This task was providing air superiority over Louisiana and the Gulf Coast while supporting 50 miles per hour.
I'm good with it.
165 kilometers per hour. Low altitude, Mach 1.2, or 900 miles per hour, 1,450 kilometers per hour. Those afterburners have been turned on again. Once again, the F-15 Eagle. ladies and gentlemen, as we set up to recover the F-15s, and our friends from Louisiana will join you. Speed brake up on the spine of the airplane, slowing it down and keeping as much of that jet in the airflow as possible adds to the braking without having to really stand on the brakes on the wheels. And of course, the cover over top.